One of the books I've been reading a lot lately is this one, Joseph Smith, Rough Stone Rolling. This is by Richard Bushman. It's a fantastic book. Richard did a spectacular job in putting this book together. This is a book about Joseph Smith, and as you can see, it's a thick one. Okay, that's a little more than an inch and a quarter thickness. Or almost an inch and a half. It's a pretty thick book, and it's all about Joseph Smith. It's a fascinating read. If you want to understand the life of Joseph Smith, whether you're a member of the LDS Church or not, this is a great book to get into, especially if you're not a member of the church. This is a really important book for you to understand, to help you think through Joseph Smith's life, because this is a cultural context. So the LDS Church, when they write their history, have more of a perspective or hermeneutic on their history of promoting faith. So they tell the good stories of Joseph Smith and some of those, the books that are commissioned by the church to read, to write on him. This one is not. This is about the culture around Joseph's life and how did that shape some of the choices and decisions he made. So this book was one of the first books outside of No Man Knows My History from Eber D. Howe that took the shine off of Joseph Smith. If you're a member of the church and you don't know a lot about Joseph Smith, you're going to have an eye-opening experience reading this book, because this doesn't tell the story of Joseph Smith from a faith-promoting perspective. This tells Joseph Smith with all of his rough edges. That's why it's called Rough Stone Rolling, and all of the problems, the challenges, mistakes he made, issues he dealt with, the frustrations, anxieties he experienced, all this stuff. If you want to get more of like a down-to-earth, realistic perspective of Joseph, this is a really good book to help you in moving that direction. There are some people, like if you claim, prophets are infallible. Joseph Smith is an amazing prophet like Moses and Abraham, and they're infallible people. You're not going to like this book, because this book is definitive proof that God works with imperfect people to do his own work. So, fascinating book to read, really worth getting into. Richard Bushman is an amazing historian and scholar, has done a really great work on this, and I'd absolutely recommend reading this and understanding it. Again, if you're trying to read this to like promote your faith, I don't know if it would work for that. For me, honestly, I love Joseph Smith more after reading this book. I think he's a better prophet because I understand him better from this book. But you also have to realize he made mistakes. He had problems. He had challenges. He had to deal with situations. He did get into some fights with people, and some people didn't think that's what a prophet should do. But again, are we setting expectations that the prophet's supposed to meet our expectation? Or are we evaluating the prophet on what he experienced in his life and the challenges that he faced? And that's what this book really addresses. So it's a fascinating book to read, well worth it to get into the life of Joseph Smith better. So hopefully you'll read it too. And let us know in the comments what you thought if you've read this book also. Thanks for watching.